Okay, we're doing another stone fruit video. I didn't think we were gonna have more, but we've got more.
Congratulations, you've won.
So, first we have another type of pluot. This is a Dino Pluot because every grower's gotta have their own type of
Dino
fruit.
DNA.
Dino DNA. I'm guessing it's gonna have a similar flavor. In one of the first videos, we did a range of plums. We did
Yellow plum, black plum.
and red, yeah. So we have a green plum. I'm guessing it's going to be similar in taste to the yellow. And then this one was listed as something else on the shelf, but I was like, that can't be right. So I was researching it, and I think that this is a TangO's peach. It's basically a newer version of a donut peach or a Saturn peach or a flat peach that was developed by another grower, and it TangO's peaches, that name is copyrighted. So you can see this one's a little wrinkly because we've had it for a little while. It's very ripe. It's starting to dry out.
Still gonna eat it.
Yeah, it's probably still delicious.
It's
So
fruit.
you can see the similarities and differences. They're both flat and donut-esque. So we'll try this as our control and then see if this tastes any similar. So that's what we've got.
Where would you like to start?
Why don't we start with the Pluots?
Oh, you do this to me?
I didn't do anything. I'm just watching the show. Thank you. Alright, let's see if I make a mess. Wow.
Toothy.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's this ripe. It feels pretty firm, but after taking a bite into it, it's very ripe.
Kind of just tastes like a basic plum to me.
Yeah.
It's cute on the outside though.
Yeah, they're very pretty. It's giving me the plum vibes for sure. I think it does taste similar to the other type of pluot that we had before. And I just get juices all over me.
That's why I had her do the plate.
Thank
My
you.
head's over a sink.
I did not look into why this is called a Dino Pluot, but just if I would hazard a guess, it's probably because of the way the skin looks.
Oh, it's like a dino egg. It's cute.
Yeah. It's not a super strong taste, but it's still really good.
Yeah. Baby plum.
So you are the plum fan, big plum fan.
I like black plums.
You
yes.
like black plums. I think you said that you really liked the red one too.
Yeah.
Maybe you just like the stronger plum flavors. So we'll see. What did you like the yellow one?
I think I did, but because I can't remember, I might not have been all that jazz.
My recollection is that you were okay with it, but you preferred the red and the black.
Checks out. I would still.
Yeah.
You never know. You never know if you're gonna get juiced on.
All right. Yeah, it's not a deep flavor, but it's a really good flavor still. It's like a light plum flavor.
To me, it's just plum texture.
Plum texture?
Yeah, just plum texture.
Okay.
Maybe like you got one that's flavored and I got
Maybe.
one that's just textured. Still gonna eat it, but I'm being disappointed.
I guess that can happen with fruits that have like more subtle flavors or lighter flavors.
Yeah.
Especially if they're underripe. This one's not as ripe as it could be, but I think it's ripe enough. I'm not like crunching into it like it's an apple. Yeah, that's. I don't think I would seek it out as a plum. I would eat it for sure if it was offered to me, but it's not my favorite. But it's good.
It has plum texture. That's all I can add to it.
That was a green plum. I think that's what that looks like. If I didn't show it very well before.
That's good. That was actually sour.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You got some flavor right at the end?
Yeah, sour. It was good though, because I like sour.
So next we're going to compare our two types of donut peaches, basically. This is the original flat peach or Saturn peach. And then we have the bread version, which I believe is the TangO's peach. So, do you want to have some of this one first, or just go for this one?
Just go for that one.
Okay.
Because I know what those taste like.
Yeah, they're kind
cute.
of a regular peach taste. The thing they have going for them is really the way they look. And I've mentioned it before. I mentioned it in another video, I think, when we did the video about these. But the donut peach or Saturn peach is a more ancient variety. And I think that's what makes it really interesting to me. So we have a lot of that crossing over in the TangO's peach.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Normally I just don't like peach. But this one I really don't like.
I understand why you don't like it, because every time we've had a peach, you've kind of pointed out the flavor profiles that you don't like.
Yeah. That one seems to have all of them combined.
This one is very... It has like a tough skin, but like it seems to be pretty ripe inside.
It's a weird kind of fleshy.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the part that put me off immediately. It was the weird fleshy. And then just burst of peach and then it went
Yeah,
away.
the texture is really different. It has like a firm velvety texture to it. Like there's that peach fuzz that peaches are known for. This has that, but it's like thicker. And it's, I guess the way I would describe the flavor is not quite yellow peach, but not quite white peach.
Yeah, it's like...
It like can't decide.
It's like, here's some velvet, here's some flavor, now get out of here! Because that's what I felt!
I'm trying to decide if I like it. I think I'm very on the fence about it. I think the firmness of the skin is turning me off of it a little bit. It's possible it could be ripened further. I definitely want to like it because it's a unique peach. Like the flat peach.
You know, wanting to like it and actually liking it are very different things.
Yeah. So it's missing things is what I'm trying to get at. I'm like getting little hints of like tartness in this. It's a bit different. So this could be a variety that really shines when it's allowed to ripen more. It's like some you can see what the fruit is trying to do when they're not like perfectly ripe. I don't know. I could just be
spitballing.
Yeah, I really am spitballing. But a little fun fact about these flat peaches is the pit is round and the seed is ball shaped. It's quite adorable. It's different from other stone fruits where their seeds all basically look like almonds. I think this is definitely one that I would like to revisit in the future.
Just to see if we done goofed it this time.
It wouldn't be the first time.
No, it wouldn't. That's the fun part about learning.
Because I suspect that it's a combination of this is slightly underripe and also it was just by the nature of, you know, how fruits are harvested. They're harvested early so they don't get to like really develop their flavors on the tree. So
Yeah, they get to do it inside of a box.
yeah.
In a fridge sometimes. I think they do that with apples.
Sort of, yeah. So I think this one is one that I think I would like to experience like straight off a tree somewhere. Because I think it has potential and I'm not getting the flavors from it that I think it's capable of. But anyway, that's a long rant. Long fruit rant. But those are just a few more stone fruits to add to the collection of things we've tried and talked about.
And we'll continue to trying more and revisiting ones that we were like, was this really bad or did we just get a bad fruit?
It's definitely a more uncommon one. There was just a little small pile of them. When I was researching what the heck this actually was, the TangO's peach came up and they ripen at within the same week as regular donut peaches. The thing that I said, or the thing that I found, the info on it said they ripen like within 5 days of each other, which is very specific. So.
So, this peach like the one trying to get with the fads? You don't want that one. And then the next week later, it's like, hey guys, look what I got. It's the same thing as you.
I don't know. I would love to know the story behind the development of this variety. I'm sure it's interesting. Anyway.